Home Remedies presents only one ingredient to increase your vision up to 97%. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today I will share with you a super ingredient and how to incorporate it in your diet to increase your vision and forget about your glasses in a period of just few weeks. Not only vision, it cures age-related memory loss and also works as a natural alternative for antidepressants. So without any more wait, let's start. What is macular degeneration? Macula is the central part of our visual field. It is located in the center of the retina and is rich in light-sensing cells. Macular degeneration is the main cause of blindness. It may not cause vision problems in the beginning, but gradually the macula will become damaged, leading to irreversible blindness. Yes, home remedies are here for the rescue. Use saffron and macular degeneration will no more be a challenge. Yes, the ingredient used in the recipe today is saffron, which is the most expensive spice in the world. Saffron or kesar is rich source of antioxidants and carotenoids. Saffron has high concentration of natural carotenoids, crocin, quercetin, pyrocrocin and flavonoids, which helps to protect the lens and retina of aging eyes. It also contains terpenes, terpene alcohols and their esters. Among these, safranal is the main component with antioxidant properties. Do you know the role of saffron in macular degeneration prevention? It will protect the pigmented cells of the retina from oxidative damage. Saffron can restore the function and structure of retinal cells that are damaged by age-related macular degeneration and oxidative stress. The antioxidant property of quercetin in saffron is stronger than alpha-tocopherol. It will protect the retinal cells from degeneration and improve the sensitivity of the retina to light. Saffron has anti-carcinogenic, immune-modulating and neuroprotective properties. Saffron as a natural alternative to prescribed antidepressants. Depression is one of the most common neuropsychiatric conditions affecting almost a fifth of the US population. An 8-week clinical trial showed that 30 mg of saffron taken daily by a sample of depressed outpatients is as effective as 20 mg prescribed antidepressants taken daily. Treatment for Alzheimer's. In a 16-week clinical trial, 30 mg of saffron taken daily has been shown to be a safe and effective treatment against mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. How to include saffron in your diet? Saffron water. Boil a cup of water and add 8 to 10 fresh organic saffron strands to it. Keep it closed for 10 minutes. Have a cup of warm saffron water daily in the morning or evening. Saffron tablets. Oral supplementation of saffron tablets for better eyesight is found to be effective. It can protect retinal cells effectively and repair them. Use a daily supplementation of 20 mg saffron tablets for eyesight. Saffron with salads. You can add about 20 mg of saffron powder or 10 strands of saffron to your favorite salads along with 1 tablespoon lemon juice and half teaspoon salt. Saffron tea. Boil a cup of milk, add sugar and 10 strands of saffron. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Do not strain the tea. Just sip it and get the benefits of saffron for eye. Saffron and honey. Mix 20 mg of organic saffron or kesar powder to 2 teaspoons of honey and have it. Consumption of this once daily will increase the retinal response and sensitivity to light and improve vision. You can crush some saffron strands with your fingers or with a mortar and pestle. Simply put them into your recipes. Since saffron improves visual activity in early age-related macular degeneration, reduces the absorption of serotonin in the brain, and inhibits the buildup of amyloid beta deposits on the brain, regardless of heredity, This is a good news for those who are genetically predisposed to such ailments. Recommended dosage: 20 to 30 mg of saffron, which is the amount prescribed in the clinical trials, equals a small pinch of 15 to 20 threads. There are around 400 saffron threads to a gram, so a gram will last around a month at 30 mg per day. Is it safe? At low dosages, saffron is very safe and has no side effects. Taking 5 grams at once can cause intestinal bleeding, and 10 grams or more can be harmful. Because of its anti-tumor properties, saffron is not recommended for pregnant women or women trying to conceive. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.